have another question.
Okay.
You know, I had this friend that bought into Dubai some times back, an investment, you know, how this thing works, you know better. And somehow, he ended up discovering that it was a scam. So what makes yours different? Why should we trust your brand?
Because 6 million naira is not beans.
It's not.
You know, now Perfection Real Estate is particular about its integrity, like the name implies. Everything we do, we ensure that we cross our T's and then we dot our I's. Our investors, in fact, we tell them we want you to go. As long as you're an investor in Dubai investment scheme, there are, you know, obviously criteria because it's an all expense paid, your housing, your feeding, everything that you're going to be doing in Dubai.
For how many months are they going to be staying there? For how many weeks? For how many days?
Well, the all expense paid trip is just for 7 days.
Okay.
7 nights.
7 good
Yes.
days.
So, but 7 days is enough for you to,
To
in fact,
enjoy.
even 1 day is enough for you to see what I am putting my money
that's
Exactly.
a whole lot of
And
week
then-
for you to enjoy, and you still have your money
Wow.
stocked.
Most of our investors now, those that have, you know, keyed into the investment, they're already cashing out their investments, their ROI, because it's an annual thing. Your capital is safe. This is where it is. But then this is the returns that you're getting on it. We're closing some this month, some others for next month, and then it goes on and on like
So
that.
a unit as we speak is 6 million naira.
Yes, yes.
Is it fixed? Will this 6 million naira per unit will remain for the next 5 years so that people do not have money now can say maybe 3 years time? Say
Sorry,
this
6 million naira?
Yeah.
Per
Oh,
unit.
okay.
Per unit, per
okay.
unit.
Okay. In responding to your question,
Uh-huh.
far back in 2020, we buy egg for 30 naira.
And that was
You
egg
know-
now. Are
you
you
know-
selling egg meat?
You know how much it is
Nah,
now.
egg is
And then we're dealing in foreign currency now. So no, it won't be that way. That is why it is best for you to take advantage
Of it
now.
now.
That is the best time. And then the total units that we have on this investment is 1,200.
Okay, so you can do 6 million in 1,200 places. Is that what?
If,
How
no,
can
no,
one
the
person
total
carry all
the total
these?
unit is 1,200.
Okay, okay.
A unit is 6
6
million
million.
naira. That means it's 6 million in 1,200 places.
Places. So you can buy as many
decide
units as
as you want.
And
So
buy
it is
two,
better
three,
you key in now because people it's as they hope.
Okay, can the units be upgraded? Like I have 6 million naira now. Let me buy 1 unit. Then
Okay.
next month I have another 6 million naira. Let me
Certainly.
increase the
That's why I
unit.
said the total number of units we have is 1,000.